Alright, we're going to do a little light review here. Recently purchased a couple lights from SouthernTruck lifts, and we bought a couple LED 4-inch round 2160 lumen lights. Put them on the John Deere 4440 here. Right now I just got the two work lights on the back going, pretty dim as most of these lights were. Here it is with the LEDs, the two work lights I put on. Amazing lights. I can't believe how bright they are. I mean, that lights up the world there. Very impressed. Amazing lights. If you took all these original lights off here and put these on here, there would be no comparison. Very dim with the LEDs turned off. Well, we'll put this up and see what people think of it. Thanks.